How to create subpages in Wix Studio. In order to do that, head over right here to your pages icon in your Wix Studio. Then once you have done that, we have in here the main pages and the likes. So what we can do is we can head over and then just add in here a new pages that we want to be a sub page. Or you could also just click on any existing page that you want. For example, we have in here the sidecar. So for this one, let's head over and then you can actually move it on any part that you want to. For example, for this page, we have the thank you page. You can move it if you want. So I'll just move it right here to the right. You can just head over and continue to drag and drop them that you want to make a side page. And then from in there, drop it onto the design parent onto the menu. So for example, for this case, let's input it just below right here under the product page. Slide it and then make sure to input that right there. And this will be the parent item under that. So that's how you actually create sub pages in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.